Here's how to turn off low power mode on the iPhone. You know you're in that mode if in the upper right it's got a yellow icon for your battery, even if your battery's like fully charged. It also might pop open when you get low battery to say, do you want to turn on low power mode or low power mode's turned on or whatever. So we go to settings basically. And inside of settings, you're going to see battery down here. So we tap on that. And inside of battery at the very bottom, we're going to see low power mode. If it's on, it's going to be green and toggled on. So we tap on this to toggle it off. Basically, you're choosing to use every feature on your iPhone without limiting anything that might consume more battery. And so, if you're under that 10% threshold window and you accidentally turned it on or something, you can turn it off, and because you know better, right? You know how you're using your battery. If low power mode's on, it reduces screen brightness, background activities, 5G, and some different things that really create more battery drain to try to save on that battery. So that's how you can turn off low power mode if you want to kind of take back control of your battery and all the features on your iPhone.